the Elegoo Self-balancing Robot. It's a good choice. His sensors are pretty sensitive. For example, if this is facing forward and down, it may pick up the guard here and he'll just go backwards. So you might need to, from time to time, make sure push it back and make sure this is facing up a little so it'll clear this. That's what I've noticed. And if he gets into a situation where he can't make a decision whether he's going to go this way or this way and he's kind of going back and forth, you can make him go backwards and he'll reset. So just interrupt the little loop he's got stuck in. But I am very impressed by his obstacle navigation and how it almost seems to be like real-time awareness. This is going to be an unedited hallway demonstration of his stock obstacle avoidance code. His left and right RGB lights flash with his turning choices. They're both going now because he's going forward. Now he's going to turn left. So that's pretty cool. His magnetic speed encoders and MPU sensor help control his balance, his speed, his turning. Out of the box, the Elegoo Tumbller has good sensor fusion. He's got 2 IR sensors, left and right, and an ultrasonic sensor. And in combination with the speed encoders and the MPU, he does pretty good. This is what I mean if it gets stuck in a turning loop. Just put your hand in front of those sensors and back him out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see more.